Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SASE platforms for secure remote work access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type the URL of your organization's SASE platform. Press the Enter key to navigate to the login page. Once the page loads, look for the login fields. These fields typically ask for your username or email address and password. Enter your username or email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click it. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once both fields are filled out, check for any additional options. Some platforms may require two-factor authentication. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code. Input the code into the designated field. After completing the authentication steps, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to verify your credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the platform's interface. Explore the dashboard to locate essential features for remote work. If you encounter any issues, look for a help or support link. Utilize that for troubleshooting or further assistance. Congratulations, you are now logged into your SASE platform for secure remote work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.